Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a strange situation where your Instagram DMs just aren't working, whether they're not loading, they're not sending. A lot of issues can be happened here, and I'll go ahead and tell you a lot of these fixes, as stated before, if you've watched any of my videos, you might already know this. Sometimes Instagram servers just are temporarily down. Now, what this means is that sometimes Instagram may be having, some issues on their back end that they may have to fix as a company. Sometimes they may be updating or pushing out huge updates to their specific accounts. And by doing that, they actually have to temporarily, turn down the servers and, limit the amount of people that can go on the app. So if Instagram is loading up, but you're still not able to, access certain things, such as your DMs, or they're just not sending or working properly, that could just mean that the servers are temporarily down. And most of the people can't even open up Instagram. And if they open it up, their DMs may not even work. So consider yourself lucky if you're in that case. A great way to tell if this is actually the case is to search up on Twitter, search up on, other social media platforms, even Facebook sometimes, see if, hashtag Instagram is down is trending or something. If that is trending, most probably everyone else is experiencing this and you're just going to have to wait. Another great way to do or tell if this is actually the case is look in the comments of these videos. And if this video gets a lot of views, if it gets probably more than like a couple thousand, then check the comments and sort by the latest comments. If, a ton of comments at one time are saying Instagram is down, Instagram is down, Instagram is down, then most probably Instagram is down. So you just have to wait until they fix it. So that's the very first thing. I feel like that's going to probably fix like 95% of people watching this video. So if you're in that ballpark, you don't even have to finish off this video anymore. However, if you still are experiencing this problem and it doesn't seem like there's any issue with Instagram and nobody's tweeting about it or nobody's talking about it, then another thing you can do is make sure you're connected to a correct cell signal. If you're not connected to an actual signal that is reliable, and what I mean by that is if you're able to load up other websites, if you're able to go into the App Store and download an app, or if you're able to go to Safari browser and load up something, then you're probably going to be able to tell right away if you have a good cell signal or a bad cell signal. If you have a good cell signal or a good Wi-Fi connection or whatever, then you'll be able to load those things up super fast and everything, and you're probably good. Then I would recommend going back into Instagram and making sure there's no other issues. However, if you're not able to load those things up or it's super slow, then chances are you have a problem with your internet connection and you're going to have to get that fixed. You're going to have to connect to a better connection, turn on data, turn off data, whatever you need to do in order to actually get a better cell signal on your device. So that's the very next thing I'd recommend. Now, the final thing, as always, make sure you're up to date on a more recent version of Instagram. If you're super outdated on your Instagram versions, chances are you're going to have a lot of problems anyway. So you want to go to your designated app store on your device and you just want to search up Instagram. So you can literally search here, click here, it's going to take a second. You can literally just search up Instagram just like this. And it may take a second, as you can see, and you want to make sure you're up to date. Now, if it says update or whatever, you want to update your device, and chances are you should be good enough for the most part. If you're still running into issues, I would rewatch this video and actually recommend checking and making sure Instagram servers aren't down, because typically that seems to be the issue. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.